Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Alchemy Web3 provider for custom dApps, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Alchemy website. Create an account if you don't already have one. Log in to your Alchemy account. Navigate to the dashboard once logged in. Select the Create App button. Fill in the required details for your new application. Choose the relevant blockchain network for your dApp. Click on Create App to finalize the setup. Once the app is created, you will see an API key provided. Copy the API key to your clipboard. Open your development environment where your dApp code resides. Install the Alchemy Web3 library if you haven't done so already. Use npm or yarn to add the library to your project. Initiate the library in your project by importing it. Set up your Web3 provider by passing the API key to the library. Create an instance of the Alchemy Web3 provider with the copied API key. Define the network your dApp will connect to, such as Ethereum. Ensure that your dApp code can communicate with the Alchemy Web3 provider. Test the Web3 connection by executing a basic blockchain query. Verify that you receive a valid response from the Alchemy server. Implement additional features in your dApp as needed. Continue developing your dApp with the Alchemy services. Review the Alchemy documentation for advanced features and best practices. Deploy your dApp to your desired platform when ready. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.